Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Bunny from Roblox Piggy. So let's get started. To draw Bunny, let's first start by drawing a big circle for her head. So I'm just going to start right here and go for it. So I'm not using a template, circle template, because I don't want the head to be too perfectly round. I mean, I don't want it to be a perfect circle because that would look too stiff. We want it nice and organic, right? So let's try our best right here to create a circle. And I'm kind of making mine a little bit flatter, a little bit more ovalish. But there, something like that. Okay, so from there, let's come right in the center and we're going to draw Bunny's big nose. So right in the center, about right here, come out with a big curve. If you like, you can make this a circle if that's easier, but I'm just going to round mine off to a point right in the center and go back up. And then from there underneath, I'm going to put a straight line, small straight line, and then curve it up. Same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and draw the eye. So on this side, about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come inside and draw another circle. And then another one. Right here for a highlight and then shade it in. So there's two different kind of eyes you can do for Bunny. You can draw the one where it's glowing, so then you wouldn't draw this black part inside. So it's all up to you. Okay, so now I have that eye in. Let's come on the other side and we're going to draw a patch, the eye patch. So say about right in this area. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve. And connect it as slant. And I'll just go ahead and shade this in really quickly. So thank you for the love you gave me for my Draw So Cute Piggy. And that's what inspired me to draw more characters from that, from Roblox Piggy. So definitely check out my playlist. I've definitely planned to draw more. So definitely let me know in the comments below what other characters you want. So right here I'm going to draw the string that goes across. And right here I'm just going to curve it in a little bit. Okay, so now we have the eye patch in. And then I'm going to come to the side right here and very lightly just draw kind of like an oval circle for the cheeks. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. Just want to make sure I'm about the same size. And draw another oval. Okay, so then now the ears. So we're going to come right in the center. I'm just going to give myself 2 points, about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and start. So nice thick ears, about right here. And go up. Big curve and bring it right, oops, right back down. And draw the inside, so same thing, and in. Okay, so same thing over here, and about right here. Go all the way up. And bring it right back down. And the inside. There. Okay, so now we can draw the body. Let's center it once again, just like I did with Piggy. And let's draw her dress. So let's come out. Flare it out a little bit. And let's continue coming down. About right there, I'll stop. And pretty much the same level, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it some curves and go right back up. So the center is a little bit more dipped down, it's lower. And then from there we can go ahead and draw her boots. So about right here and here in the center. I'm going to go ahead, curve it out, bring it down, and connect. So same thing on the other side. Down, go right here, curve it out, angle, and connect. So then now we can draw the arms. Let's come over here, and so this one's going to be holding the bow. So I'm just going to come out, and I'm totally simplifying this because that's how the game is, right? So I'm just going to come and say about right here, and I'm just going to stick this bow right on her hand. So let's come in here, kind of following the angle of the arm, and I'm going to draw a rectangle right on top. And then let's draw this part that comes out, the flares out at the top, and connect. And so we're still continuing at the same angle. Then from there, let's draw the bow part that comes right there and there. I'll just come in here and thicken this part up. And then connect it with a string. So about right here, I'm going to bring it in and up. Okay, so then I can also thicken this part up as well for some detail, and then just finish up the curve wherever you have your space. And that is pretty much it for that arm. So on this side, we're just going to have it hanging out on the side, just like Piggy. So about right here. So about in this area, let's go ahead and draw a thumb and fingers. There. And let's see here, if you like, you can just put in some of these lines for some details. And of course, last but not least, let's add a heart right here for Bunny, since I did one for Piggy. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Bunny here turned out from Roblox Piggy, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.